Welcome to the future. The Humvee, which stands for High Mobility Multipurpose Wheeled Vehicle, is a military multipurpose vehicle manufactured by AM General in the United States. Since 1985, this car has been used as a replacement for several Jeeps, ambulances, and trucks in the U.S. Army, and later it entered the armies of dozens of other countries in the world. Humvee has become world famous due to its high mobility, power, and reliability on any type of road and in any weather conditions. This car has the following features. Excellent off-road capability. The Humvee features independent suspension, locking differentials, and studded tires that allow it to navigate the toughest terrains. Power. Humvees use powerful diesel or gasoline engines that give it the ability to carry loads and tow heavy loads. Protection. The Humvee can be equipped with armor and weapons and protect its occupants from bullets and explosions. Versatility. The Humvee is offered in various types, including personnel carriers, ambulances, command vehicles, and weapon platforms. Humvees have been used in various wars, including the Persian Gulf War, the Iraq War, and the Afghanistan War. The vehicle is also used by law enforcement and civilian agencies around the world. In 2004, General Motors purchased AM General and continued the Humvee production. However, in 2010, due to financial problems, General Motors stopped production of the Humvee for military use. However, the company continues to produce the vehicle for civilian use. Currently, the Humvee is recognized as one of the most iconic military vehicles in the world. This car has been admired by soldiers and car enthusiasts all over the world for its unique capabilities and performance. Humvee technical specifications: length 5.05 meters width, 2.14 meters height, 1.85 meters weight, 4.67 tons speed, 105 kilometers h range, 480 kilometers engine, 6-cylinder diesel or gasoline. Power: 190 to 260 horsepower torque, 664 to 705 Newton meters. Types of Humvees: M998, Humvee base model M1026, Humvee ambulance, M1037, Humvee command vehicle M1038, Humvee gun platform M1123. Armored Humvee countries using Humvee: United States of America, Great Britain, Canada, Australia, France, Germany, Italy, Japan, South Korea, Israel, Saudi Arabia, and many others. The Humvee was originally designed and built by AM General, an American company specializing in the production of military vehicles. In 1979, the U.S. Army was looking for a new military vehicle to replace several older vehicles such as Jeeps, ambulances, and trucks. In response to this demand, AM General introduced the Humvee, which won the military's attention due to its flexible design and excellent off-road capabilities. In 1983, AM General received the first Humvee production contract from the U.S. Army, and mass production of the vehicle began in 1985. Humvee quickly became one of the most popular military vehicles in the world and entered the armies of dozens of other countries. In 2004, General Motors, the American automobile giant, bought AM General and continued the production of Humvee. However, in 2010, due to financial problems, General Motors stopped production of the Humvee for military use. Although the Humvee has been discontinued for military use, AM General continues to produce the vehicle for civilian use. In addition to AM General, other companies have produced Humvee parts and equipment or special versions of this car throughout history. Some of these companies are Rheinmetall Man Military Vehicles, This German company produces armored versions of the Humvee for various armies. U.S. Armor. This American company offers various types of armor and protective equipment for the Humvee. General Dynamics. This American company produces Humvee engines and power transmission systems. Lockheed Martin. This American company produces the Humvee's electronic and navigation systems. Humvee is not officially equipped with a voice assistant. However, some companies and individuals have developed unofficial audio systems for the Humvee. These systems usually connect to the Humvee via Bluetooth or a USB connection and can be used to do things like controlling the audio system, playing music, changing the radio station, adjusting the volume, making a phone call, dialing, answering and hanging up, sending SMS, dictation and sending SMS. Access to information, get directions, find restaurants, broadcast news. The use of these systems can help increase the comfort and safety of the Humvee driver. However, it is important to keep in mind that these systems have not been officially approved by AM General or the U.S. Army, and their performance may not be reliable. In addition, using audio systems while driving can distract the driver and increase the risk of an accident. Therefore, Humvee drivers should carefully weigh the pros and cons before using any audio system. Here are some examples of audio systems offered for the Humvee. Siri Eyes Free. This system uses Apple's Siri voice assistant to control the audio system, make phone calls, and send SMS. Amazon Alexa Auto. This system uses Amazon's Alexa voice assistant to control the audio system, make phone calls, play music, and receive information. Google Assistant for Car. This system uses Google's voice assistant to control the audio system, make phone calls, send SMS, and get directions. Throughout its history, the Humvee has had many opponents among multi-purpose military vehicles. Some of the most important opponents are Mercedes-Benz G-Wagon. This German car, which is known for its off-road capability and excellent performance, has been in the service of various armies around the world since 1979. Land Rover Defender. This British vehicle, which is famous for its strength and reliability, has been in the service of various armies around the world since 1948. Toyota Land Cruiser. This Japanese car, known for its off-road capabilities and durability, has been in the service of various armies around the world since 1951. Jeep Wrangler. This American car, which is famous for its iconicity and off-road capabilities, has been in the service of various armies around the world since 1941. Autocamera UAZ 469. This Russian car, which is known for its simplicity, strength, and reasonable price, has been in the service of various armies around the world since 1961. Each of these vehicles has its own strengths and weaknesses, and choosing the best vehicle depends on the specific needs and requirements of each army. Humvee has found a special place among military vehicles due to its unique capabilities, such as high mobility, power, and reliability on any type of road and in any weather conditions. However, the competition in this category of cars is fierce, and other car manufacturers are constantly developing and upgrading their products. In recent years, we have seen the emergence of a new generation of multipurpose military vehicles that use more advanced technologies such as automated driving systems, artificial intelligence, and laser weapons. These cars will make competition for Humvee and other opponents more difficult and will greatly affect the future of this category of cars. Humvee, despite its many advantages, also suffers from weaknesses, some of which are high fuel consumption. Humvee has a high fuel consumption due to its heavy weight and powerful engine. This can significantly increase operating costs, especially during long-term use or in regions with high fuel prices. High price. Humvee has a relatively high price due to the technical complexity and high quality of the materials used in it. This can prevent some armies or organizations from buying this car. Difficult to transport. Humvee is difficult to transport due to its large size and heavy weight. This can create challenges when deploying or moving military forces. Vulnerability to mines. Due to its high altitude and unarmored hull, the Humvee is vulnerable to landmines and IED improvised explosive devices blasts. This can increase the risk of casualties and injuries for Humvee occupants. Complexity of repairs. Humvee is difficult to repair and maintain due to its complex technical systems. This can require special expertise and equipment that is not available everywhere. Incompatibility with urban environments. Humvee is not suitable for use in urban environments due to its large dimensions and low maneuverability. This can create challenges in military operations in urban areas. Negative impact on the environment. Humvee has a negative impact on the environment due to high fuel consumption and emission of pollutants. This can cause concerns about the use of this car in some countries. In addition to these weaknesses, Humvee has also faced some technical problems throughout its history. These problems include failures in brake, steering, and engine systems. Despite these weaknesses, the Humvee is still recognized as one of the most popular multi-purpose military vehicles in the world. Many armies around the world use this vehicle, and AM General is constantly upgrading and improving it.